Ever missed the perfect shot because you were fumbling with your camera settings? Today, I'm going to show you how the memory recall function on the Sony A7 IV can be a game changer, letting you switch between shooting scenarios instantly. First, dial into the 1, 2, or 3 setting on the mode dial Y. These are your custom memory banks. Now, set your camera up exactly how you want it for a specific shooting scenario. For example, maybe you want settings for landscape photography, so set your aperture to f8, ISO to 100, and your focus mode to AFS. Next, go to the main menu, navigate to the camera settings 1 tab, scroll down and select memory. Choose the memory bank you want to save these settings to Y. Let's say we pick 1 foot. Hit OK. Now, those landscape settings are locked in. Now, let's switch gears. Let's say you want to shoot portraits. Adjust your settings, open up your aperture, increase your shutter speed, and switch to continuous autofocus. Repeat the process menu. Camera settings 1, memory. But this time, save these portrait settings to memory bank 2. Now, watch this. By simply turning the mode dial between 1 and 2, you can instantly switch between your landscape and portrait settings. No more fumbling, no more missed shots. You can save settings to 3 as well, for things like wildlife or video. Experiment, customize, and watch your workflow become smoother than ever with the Sony A7 IV's memory recall.